Navi.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Navi. How are you, Navi? Wait, where are you?
Coffee.
Cafe. Okay, what did you learn there? What did
I
you
learned
study?
math.
Math, I see. But I think math is easy for you, right? No? You are good at math, and so is Nini.
It's more than.
Oh, okay. She's good at it. Okay, wait, let me share my screen, Navian. We will have this one now. Okay, wait, let me message your mom. Okay, yes, we are already in speaking practice number 39. So, can you tell me, Navi, what are the people, where are these people? Where are the people?
People are at the beach.
Okay, how's the weather? How's the weather here, Navi? Yes, they are at the beach. And how's the weather at the beach?
Summer.
Okay, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Sunny, hot and sunny. What is the boy with the fish rod doing? Fishing rod doing.
He is waiting to the fish to eat.
Okay, yes, he is catching a fish. Okay, so what is the man in the green shirt carrying?
He's carrying two buckets.
Okay, two buckets. What do you think are
I think
inside?
is juice or ice in because it's very hot.
And what about the other one? All ice?
The big one is ice and another one is juice.
Okay, drinks. Okay. It could be Navi. Now, how many boats and ships are in
Because
the sea?
it's very sunny. Look.
Yes, I see. It's really hot, Navi. The sun is shining.
But why the
Yes.
fish
What?
wearing a very hot clothes?
Yes,
He's
because
wearing
it's
a very hot clothes.
okay, because it's hot, right, Navi? And he wants to protect his skin from the heat of the sun. That's why he preferred wearing
This is
sweater
the
and
house.
pants. Yes, yes, a very beautiful beach house, Navi. Now, can you tell me how many boats and ships are in the sea? How many boats and ships are in the sea?
There are three.
Okay, yes, well done, Navi. What colors are the lighthouse? What colors are the lighthouse?
What is the lighthouse? It's white and red.
What is that, Navi? Donut?
No,
Wheels?
no. Look.
Oh no, two. Then what? What is it?
Wait a moment.
Hmm. Don't tell me that's a monster with a big eyes and big mouth. Wait, is it really a monster? Wait, what? What? Okay, so that is an emoji. What? That's so cute, Navi. But I think that's a scared emoji, Navi. Scared emoji. Okay.
Wait a
So,
moment. I will draw another one.
oh, another
Oh,
one. Another emoji. Another
yes.
emoji. Okay. Hmm. Is that still what? Wait, a, that looks like a repeater in Plants vs Zombies, Navi. Do you play Plants vs Zombies, Navi? It looks like a repeater to me. Grr. See, wait, I'll show you. Repeater and Plants versus Zombies. I'll show it to you. And you see. Oh, wait. See? It looks like this. You're drawing, not grr. Okay. So, going back, Navi. What colors
Oh,
are the
that
lighthouse?
is not. It's a plant, but this is a monster.
Oh, that's a monster saying, be ready, Navi. I will bite you.
I will draw another one. Very funny.
Oh, a funny one. Okay. So we're done with what? And we're done with grr. Okay, what's next? Oh, one eye? Just one eye? Oh, you're thinking.
Teacher, it's wow. Wow.
What? What emoji is this? It's
Wow.
still wow?
Wow.
Is it still wow?
I mean, it's a wow. Very cute. Wow.
Oh,
It's very
okay.
cute.
Cute. Okay. Cute. But, but why does it have only one eye?
It's a monster.
Because it's a monster. Okay. Wait, we have something. Okay. What do we call one eye monster? We call them, oh yeah, Cyclops, Navi. Cyclops. Wait,
I cannot see anything.
Cyclops.
Người khổng lồ một mắt.
One eye. Yeah, one eye monster. Okay, can you going back, Navi? What
Can I
colors?
see the
You
one
want to see
eye?
the Cyclops? Okay, wait. Cyclops, just like this one, Navi. One eye monster. Okay, like for example, wait, let me give you a best example. Okay, let's just have this one. Just like this, Navi, this one too. It has just one eye, Navi. And it's in the middle and it's big.
Very
See?
big.
Yeah, very big. Do you want to have one eye, Navi, or two eyes?
It's very cute.
It's not cute?
Me too. It's cute.
Okay, so moving on, Navi. Can you tell me what colors are the lighthouse? What colors are the lighthouse?
White and red.
What? There? Okay, yes, we have white and red colors. What is the girl on the chair reading?
Here. Emma is here. Emma is here.
What's that,
Teacher.
Navi?
Emma
Yes?
is here.
No, I can see her. I can't see Anna. Oh, she's learning. She's learning, Navi. What about Nini? Where is Nini?
I mean, it's Emma. Emma.
Oh, Emma. Oh, teacher Jonah is here. Emma is sitting next to you. Can you call her? Oh, is she learning?
Yes.
Oh, she is learning. Okay, maybe later, Navi. Okay, I thought you said Anna. Okay, what about Anna and Nini? Where are they?
He's next to me, but Anna is going to school.
Oh, okay, I see. But it's almost time to go home. Yeah, I think so. So, what is the girl on the chair reading? Is she learning English, Navi?
No, Emma is learning at my mommy's math.
Oh, okay, in your mom's math class. Okay. What about you? Who's teaching you math? Is it your mom?
Yes.
Okay, I see. Going back, math. What is the girl on the chair reading?
She's reading on news.
Okay, yes, a newspaper. What color is the house on the hill?
It's
It's not actually a hill, right, Navi? It's on the coast. What color is the house on the coast?
pink.
Where is the red Jeep? Where is the red Jeep?
Yes.
Where is the red Jeep, Navi? The red Jeep. Where is it? Where is the red Jeep, Navi?
An ice cup of water.
Okay.
Today it's third. I think in Danang is 34. 34. 34.
Degrees?
34 degrees in Danang because it's very hot.
Oh, it's really hot. But in the Philippines right now, I think it's about to rain, Navi. I think we have a storm.
I mean, it's very hot.
Oh,
Do you
is
think
it
it's
always is it always hot in Danang, Navi, or did it
I
rain
think
maybe
today
yesterday?
is the hottest in every day in Danang.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me search for the weather here in the Philippines right now. It is, yeah, 29, Navi. Just 29.
In
Yeah.
Danang, on the computer.
Now, Navi, going back, can you tell me where is the red Jeep?
Sure. What? How many it's in Vietnam?
What?
How many how many how many how many it's the
Degrees?
weather in degrees in Vietnam? Can you put on the computer to
Oh, in Vietnam?
Yes. In
Okay,
Da Nang,
wait.
in Da Nang.
Oh, in Da Nang. Wait. Let me see, because this is my location actually, Navi. Da Nang. Wait, let me see. Da Nang, Vietnam. Oh, no cities found, Navi. Wait, let me search it here. Oh, okay. So the weather in Da Nang today is hot and cloudy with a high of 36 degrees Celsius, Navi.
Ôi trời ơi, hôm nay nặng nhất là 36 độ. Ui,
It's hot, Navi. It really is. Okay, so going back, Navi, can you tell me where is the red Jeep? Where is the red Jeep?
what is a Jeep?
Here, this one, the red one. That is a Jeep, Navi.
Oh, it's on the sand.
Okay,
It's on
very
sand.
good. How many people are on the land?
There are 3 people.
Okay, yes, that's right, Navi. And can you tell me what is the girl sitting on the chair wearing?
She's wearing her pajamas. Let
Okay,
me take
yes.
this picture of my cute little baby.
Oh, you have a baby?
No, my cousin.
Your
Do you
cousin.
see
Okay.
her?
Wait, let me see. No, I can't. Where is the picture, Navi? Where is the picture?
I'm giving to you, but it cannot give it. I don't know
Oh, you can send it, but you can share
why.
your screen. Do you want to share your screen?
Okay.
Okay, wait. So you can share your screen now, Navi. You can share
Hold
your.
a moment. Hold a moment. I come out and I come in again.
Okay, okay, sure. Okay, can you try sharing your screen, Navi? Or no? Still no?
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Here. Can you see?
No, I can't. You're not sharing your screen. You have to click share.
Here. Can you see now? I'm sharing the picture.
No, you're not sharing it, Navi.
Here.
No, you are not sharing, Navi. Okay, yes. It's okay now. You are sharing.
Here.
Wait.
Can you see now?
Oh, you stopped sharing, Navi. You stopped sharing. Share it again, Navi. Okay. Oh, why did it
Okay.
go back? Why did it go back? Can you try to send it in the chat instead, Navi? You have to click file and you have to go to photos and click that certain picture that you want to show
Wait a
me.
moment.
Okay. See, it starts sharing and then it stopped directly, Navi. What is happening?
I don't know. Let me try to get to you in the chat box.
Why? What is happening? Why can't you send it here and then you can share your screen as well? Oh, you can't. You can share it. Why can't you share it? Okay, so just explore Navi and just share it to me after the 5 minutes break, okay? So I'll see you again in a bit. Navi, goodbye, Navi.
Okay.